Ashley from Not It to Reviews, and today we're unboxing this summer Deco-Crated package. If you're not familiar with Deco-Crated, this is a seasonal home decor subscription box. Every package is themed. There's interchangeable items, items you can use all year round, and then there's of course things that fit with the season. There's 6 to 8 items in each box. Packages are $79.99 quarterly, and then there is a discount if you subscribe to an annual subscription, which is the all 4 boxes for every season. I do have a coupon code, $10 off for your quarterly box, $30 off an annual box. I'll put that down in the description along with my affiliate link. Anything else? They do have they have like a shop coming out. Actually, I think it's out already. And then they also have like seasonal one-time boxes. Like they had a Halloween box, and they had, I think they're coming out with like a patriotic kind of box for this summer. So that's really cool too. Definitely really cute stuff in one of the boxes that I most look forward to. The box is big and it's yellow and it's very summery. So let's get in here. All right. They do also have featured artisans. I should mention that as well. So every box has people that design the items, and they'll tell you that in the little pamphlet that you get, and that goes over everything in the box. All right, so I'm going to try to do this without hitting my camera. All right, actually I'm gonna put this on the floor. That will work better, right? Won't it? Maybe. Ah, so big. What did happen to this? Okay. Okay. Sitting. Okay. This is like a comedy special, except it's not that funny. All right. So inside we have One Thrive. This is just for Deco-Craters, can't share that with you. There is that. Every box comes with a 5x7 print that is reversible. So this side has a bee. And then on the other side it says, I love you like bees love honey. Super cute. I love this color scheme. It's very like apothecarian. It has that kind of, is rustic the right word? Not sure, but you know what I mean, like a farmer's market-y, like country, not country primitive so much as it is like more country farm stand, back to basics type stuff. Anyway, all right, so then we have our Welcome to Summertime pamphlet. So this goes over every item in the box. It goes over the color scheme. I'm gonna look. So right here it says the color palette is right here. So it's a very kind of almost royal, I want to say, that navy and that gold, very like royal. What the heck is the word I'm thinking of? Can't think of it. Anyway, we're not going to hang on that. Key themes: Sunny and the Bees, bee-like imagery, lemon-inspired icons. My girlfriend loves lemons, so she's going to be hitting me up for some items in this box. Bright summer hues, and then they combine elements like cherry woods, black matte metals, hand-woven textures, and bright patterns. Something I really like about this box is that they will build onto items that they've set in the past. So that the items kind of work together. I really like that. So the Deco-Craters, Kim Nevo. Oh, that's not our featured artisan, but Kim Nevo is a Deco-Crater. I don't want to. Oh, is she the featured artisan? Huh. I guess that is our featured artisan, Kim Nevo. And then she has Creatively Kimmy on Etsy. I read that wrong. So yes, she is. And then we'll look at the pamphlet after we open everything up. So let's get in here. Woohoo! All right, so the thing I love, they have the whole box is full. And then they put these empty boxes in to like keep space so it doesn't all shake around and nothing shatters. All right, so first up we have this item. Something I also like about this is that they have a Facebook group. When you sign up for the box, you can go on and get ideas on how to use your items, how other people have styled it, and kind of get some inspiration, which I think is a really neat concept. Ooh, this is cute. So this is almost has like the gothic because it has the metal on here, but that's what they said. They mixed the cherry woods with the matte black metals. This, to me, you'd put in front of a plant, like a creeping plant, and let a plant climb up. I don't know how other people are using it, and we'll look in the pamphlet at the end of the video. So that's our first item. second item is in this box here. We're going to open it up right now. I voted today for myself, guys. FYI. I'm on the school board. So, and it's a close race because I'm running unopposed. All right, anyway. Secondly, we have, what on earth is this? A clock? Oh, that's kind of cool. Now, how do I use this? So here's our clock. Now you have to excuse me because I'm going to have to look at the pamphlet to understand how this is going to work. But you have this kind of oval opening here and then this piece here. I don't know how that's all going to work together, but there is like a leather detail here with the matte black, keeping with that theme in the box. Okay. Smells good. Smells like wood. I like it. Looks like a shelf. Yes, this is a shelf. So right here you have the back. You have brackets, and this is a white shelf. You clearly can put things on this. This is really cool. I actually need a shelf, so I'm really excited that I received this. It does have that kind of rustic white where you can kind of see the grain of the wood through it. It gives it like a really cool, that same kind of farmhouse feel to it. And it will work with the other items, which is also very nice. Okay. An empty box. Second to last box. The other box is really big, so I'm guessing there's more than one item in it. Ooh, it's a bee! Also in that cherry finish. This is cool. I don't know how I would use this yet, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. It does have a little bracket on the back to hang it up. I don't know where I'm going to put it. I do love bees. I think that the imagery gives you like a happy feeling because you think of spring, you think of flowers, you think of sunshine. And it's just like a very, we also know that bees provide us with all the flowers, all the fruit and all that kind of stuff. So it's like a very symbolic of life and all that good stuff. So I love bee imagery. I actually have a bumper sticker of a bee. Oh my god, it's been there forever. It never goes off. Like a lot of them, like I used to put like regular stickers on. That's a bad idea, and that is a regular sticker, but it's still there years later. All right, in here is something. Don't know what yet. All right, so first we have a pillow sham. They didn't have one last season, but and I wasn't sure if they were going to stop maybe, but they clearly came back with them this season. So this is a pillow sham. So this side has lemons, the bee theme. The color scheme keeps it that same, that royal blue, that gold, and then those teal like pops of lighter colors to kind of keep it summery. And then the back has this really cool, what is this design called? Aztec, I don't know. With that deeper blue and white. This actually is, my dining room is navy, well, this kind of blue and orange, but I can't figure out a way to put a pillow in there, not with my kids. So this will be my living room. I think that's really cool because I do have yellow flowers on my mantle. That will look cool, and I do have a pillow for this one. Yay! So that's super cute. And then our final item is this super neat basket. So this basket's handcrafted. Nature, size, and coloration may vary and may have a unique, non-harmful smell. Do not expose to moisture, not intended for food. So you could put whatever you want in here. It is really cute. Obviously don't put food, they said not to. I don't know the material, like rattan, I'm not sure, but the blue threading is really cool. I love that color. I think it's super fresh feeling and like, I don't know the right word. I feel like I say that a lot, but it's very pretty. All right, so let's look at our pamphlet. Those are our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items in this box. So you have your 5x7 print, you have your bee hanger, your clock, your window, the arched window, your shelf, your basket, and your pillow sham. So the art print, add a dash of sunshine to your space with our double-sided art print. Feature our signature bee illustration on one side and a motivational quote on the other. Whether you want some morning inspiration or just want a bee nestled on your nightstand, the possibilities are endless. Then there's the lumbar pillow. If you're into patterns, this is how they styled it. And anything blue, you won't be disappointed with this double-sided pillow. The boho pattern, boho, so that's one way to say it, in indigo blue gives you just the right amount of brightness, while the other side of the pillow features a lemon, floral, and bee pattern, great for relaxing during a sun-filled afternoon. Add this pillow to your nook to strike the perfect summer vibe. The wood bee, so there's how they styled it. They put it on a counter with a wooden cutting board. Looking for the right accent for your wall this season, our lifelike wood bee, I wouldn't say it's lifelike, is here to do the trick. Make a stylish statement by hanging this friendly bee on the wall, leaning it on your mantle, or resting it upon your art print. Not to mention, this bee is lightweight and easy to maneuver around the home. Then we have the wall ledge, and there's how they, I see it. So there's the wall ledge, and they styled it with the clock on there. Never quite got around to spring cleaning. We've got the perfect little ledge for you. Our whitewash ledge can help you organize your books, add memorabilia to your space, or just hang on its own with floral arrangements. Either way, it's easy to assemble and can help you declutter. And this is a sign that came in one of the previous Deco Created boxes. And I'm sure that you'll see other things strewn about. The boho basket. Imagine a woven basket made from natural material with blue accent edging sitting in the corner of your living room, holding all the cozy throws. Well, imagine no more. The boho basket is here to make your dreams come true. Sit this basket in any room for an organized yet fresh look this season. So here it is how they styled it. I think I've told you guys before, we received a bucket, like a metal galvanized bucket, sort of like, it has holes in it, more like a basket, from Deco Created, and I use it what we call the great sock hunt, which is socks that are missing matches go in there, and then when we do laundry we pull them out and see. It's just the way things are. All right, the tablecloth. So this, haha, sits like this. Now I get it. Some of you probably saw that right away, and you have better spatial intelligence than I do. Sorry. All right, who says clocks are out of style? This metal tablecloth might appear small, but it's anything but. The faux leather hanger and black finish turns a seemingly ordinary clock into a functional yet stylish accent. The wood arch, here's how they styled it. I think that looks gorgeous. I do have this piece in on my plaque wall. And this is a sign that came last summer. And the yellow works with everything in this box. I actually put mine outside though. It's hanging on my fence above my grill for parties and stuff. I thought that was really cool. So I don't think I'd bring it back in at this point, but thriving in a cherry wood finish, this mini wood arch is sure to make a statement this season. The gorgeous arch and black metal accents make it easy to incorporate into any decor or DIY your way to a fresh look. No matter how you style, this arch will add dramatic flair to any room. That is true. And then they do have the members only deco shop, and they show you items that you can only get there. Here, some more. And then add-on boxes. So they're showing you the Easter box, the Halloween box, like I said, the Christmas box, and the new Americana box. And then they do have a blog. They have Deco TV, and here are the team. And then, yeah, Deco Hacks, Deco Listens. They have all sorts of things that you can, as you join the Deco Created, it's more like a community than it is just a subscription box. So yes, you get your basket, you get your wall shelf, you get your arch, you get your bee, you get your clock, you get your pillow sham and your 5x7 print, all for $79.99. And then if it is your first box, and you do use the coupon code for maybe even way less. So I love this box. I think it's a great way to freshen up your spaces each season, and just kind of make everything look more new and fresh. Anyway, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested in checking out my full review below, do check that out, and obviously check out Deco Created with my affiliate link. Thank you guys. I'll see you next time.